In an era of rapid transformation toward sustainability, the question is no longer if we should change, but how. As demand for safer, more efficient commercial solutions grows across North America, AFC EcoPlastics serves as a strategic bridge between Asian innovation and North America markets. By connecting advanced manufacturing with real-world needs, we provide a wide range of products and eco-friendly raw materials, ensuring businesses have access to a flexible, stable, and competitive supply chain in an evolving global landscape. As a member of An Phat Holdings, a Southeast Asian leader in high-tech plastics, AFC EcoPlastics inherits a pioneering vision, developing the sustainable materials of tomorrow. With offices in Houston, Texas, and Costa Mesa, California, we've built an extensive North American network. Our certified biodegradable compounds are already making an impact across the US, Canada, and Mexico, bringing "Made in Vietnam" excellence to global brands. What sets AFC apart is our fully integrated ecosystem, from R&D and bio-compounding to finished product manufacturing and US-based logistics. Every link is optimized. This ensures consistent quality, cost efficiency, and reliable delivery for our partners. We are continuously scaling, advancing our PBAT technology to reach a capacity of over 70,000 tons annually, strengthening a green, reliable supply chain for the American market. We don't just create green materials, we deliver practical business solutions. From bio-resins and bio-compounds to fully compostable finished products, our solutions are engineered from PLA, PBAT, and bio-based additives, meeting the highest international environmental standards. They are designed for seamless integration into your existing production lines, helping you optimize costs while accelerating your green transition. We believe the future of plastics is shaped by shared responsibility. Real change requires like-minded partners to turn green ambitions into action. At AFC EcoPlastics, we are ready to accompany you on this journey, delivering certified, easy-to-apply solutions that transform sustainability goals into real-world results.